Today we're visiting Brotherly Love Cheesesteak Rolls.
Welcome to Brotherly Love. Let's make some spring rolls.
We're going to do a Cordon Bleu chicken cheesesteak. Just going to do some egg wash. And we got our Swiss cheese here. And then we have our Godshall beef bacon. And our chicken cheesesteak. Just going to roll this guy up. Egg wash on top. I'm gonna put our breadcrumb seasoning to finish it off. Drop this in the fryer underneath the basket just so it's completely submerged in the oil. I use Godshall's beef bacon for customers who don't like pork but still like the bacon flavor. Alright, now let's get them out and serve them. Cut them open and serve them. This is our beef bacon chicken cordon bleu.